Hey everyone, you join me once again from the Network Suite. If you're wondering what the Network Suite is, then click on the link in the top right hand banner to learn all about it. Today's video is pretty short, but I wanted to make it because, as you will know from watching my other videos, I have a lot of smart enabled devices. One of these devices is the Amazon Ring alarm. Now, as you may know, Ring was bought by Amazon a couple of years ago, and this only meant one thing: far tighter integration. This is great because, for example, it allows you to view your Ring video doorbells if you have an Amazon Echo with a screen. But more importantly for me, it allows you to set up routines based on triggers from your Ring devices. For example, I can create a routine that turns on a light in my hall when the front door contact sensor is opened, or use the Ring alarm motion sensors to illuminate or extinguish other lights around my home, just like the Hue motion sensor. So, while I hope to never actually need to use the Ring alarm sensors for what they are intended, to alert me to intruders, I can make use of them daily thanks to Alexa routines. When I was on the Ring iOS app one evening, I noticed there was a new option for adding my Amazon account to my Ring account. I thought, why not, and jumped straight in. It wasn't until the next morning that I realised none of the routines based on my Ring alarm sensors were working. After trying all the usual things, such as adding a new test routine and also checking that the sensors were showing as enabled and responsive within the Alexa enabled device list, there was only one option left: to disable and then re-enable the Ring skill from the Alexa skills and games section of my Alexa app. I'd been worried to do this in case all of my Ring devices were removed from Alexa, and in turn all my routines. I was pleased to discover that this did not happen, and I noticed that during the sign-in process for the Ring skill, I was asked to enter both my Ring and Amazon credentials. On going back to check my Ring app, my Amazon account also appeared here as successfully linked. So that's all I have for you today, but I hope it helps some of you wondering why your automations have stopped working after adding your Amazon account to your Ring app. In my next video, I'm going to show you some of my favourite and most useful routines I've created in Amazon Alexa. And there's one that everybody especially likes to hear about, and I love when my alarm goes off in the morning. See you soon, and if this helped, firstly, have a watch of my other videos, then like my video, let me know what you think in the comments, and please subscribe to the channel.